Hi, this is Ryan from Lake Shore Cryotronics with a quick look at the Model 372 AC resistance bridge and temperature controller. The 372 uses a patented balanced AC current source, allowing it to make ultra-low temperature measurements to below 10 millikelvin in a well-designed system. It's compatible with a range of different resistive temperature sensors, such as our ruthenium oxide, germanium, or Cernox product lines. And in addition to this, the 372 is also excellent at making resistance measurements for material characterization purposes, where your sample might be in a cryogenic environment and you need to keep the input power to an absolute minimum to avoid things like self-heating. Now, in addition to pure resistive measurements, the 372 is also capable of identifying reactive components of a load. This allows you to determine whether issues like parasitic capacitance may be interfering with your measurements. So, as you can see, this is a benchtop unit with a nice big front display, as well as an array of buttons here for control. However, it can also be mounted in a standard 19-inch rack and controlled remotely using one of the remote interfaces available, which includes Ethernet, USB, or GPIB. Now, as we move across to the other side, you'll find our main measurement inputs, as well as the brand new control input, which provides an option for users who want dedicated temperature control while being free to take other measurements with the main measurement input. As we start moving across, we'll see the monitor and reference outputs, which are generally used for diagnostic purposes. And further to the right, we have the heater outputs, which includes a 1 watt sample heater, a 1 watt still heater, or a 10 watt warm-up heater. Now, these heater outputs will generally be used in concert with the main measurement inputs or the control input. What these will be doing is making temperature measurements with a 372, then using PID control to apply a certain amount of heater output to make sure that the set point temperature is always maintained. Now, further to the right, you'll see we also have two relay circuits. Now, these can either be triggered manually or automatically based on measured temperature levels. So, this has been a quick look at the Lake Shore Model 372 AC resistance bridge and temperature controller. Now, a more in-depth overview video can also be found on the product webpage. So we go into more detail on the operation and features of the instrument. But thank you for watching, and if you have any future questions about the 372 or any of our instruments, please feel free to get in touch with our very friendly sales staff.